So here it is, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In front of you is a 2020 Honda Africa Twin. This is the bike I'll be riding right now. ज़्यादा लंबा चौड़ा राइड तो नहीं हो पाएगा. It would be very small ride. But yes, first experience तो ज़रूर दे पाऊँगा इस बाइक का, because this is something which has grown from 2017 with an update on 2018, and then the revised color in 2019, and now with this all new, all updated, everything new on this Africa Twin, having a bigger engine. That's the old one. Yeah, so bigger engine, having now crossing the barrier of 1000 cc, but yes, with more power, more torque, more gizmos, and everything put together. You have the new LCD control as well, if you can see. Yeah, all new controls, new buttons here. Then you have a cruise control as well, and then you have a cornering light as well. So now this bike is having a tubeless tires, in spoke, and gold plated, gold color, all new. So let's ride this bike. This is something which is a very tall bike. If you can see here, this is coming to my shoulder range. This is the look in front. I personally like the white color, but let me know what color you liked, the black one or this one. But yeah, this looks a bike to buy, I think. It has all the bells and whistles that is required. It is looking superb. I have a very good riding stance on this. It's not that very heighted as well. You can have seat adjustment as well. So you are very good with respect to the seat height, because you have options. If you see, I'm 5'11", I am all full sitting on the bike, both sides. So very commanding position, very good position. Absolutely in love with this bike right now. The fit and finish is all good. The rear view mirror is all very good with respect to the clarity, and the scope of the rear view mirror is very good. It comes with this knuckle guard as well, so pretty well laid out. I really like this gold color handlebar. It gives a premium look. This is my preference, but yeah, this is really something which has upped the game for Honda. The fit and finish has always been a strong point for Honda, and then with this bike they have pretty much nailed it. You have a charging port here that you can add. So overall, very good. I'll just do a quick ride. This is the sound you will get. Wow man, this is very smooth. I'm really liking it. This is the first time I'll be having a manual test ride on Africa Twin. This has a clutch lever here and the gear here. So you are not used to seeing this with Africa Twin, but yes, with this model we have the manual version as well. Let's get this going. I'm not sure that you have to do it every time when you start the bike, but yes, this is in traction level. ABS off. No, I don't want it to be off. ABS on. There are a lot of many things. I'll ask Naveen to help me out once it is done. So let's get going, guys. Wow, super man. ये manual तो first time चला रहा हूँ, so I'm finding it very different with Africa Twin right now. But yes, it is something which is very different. I'm getting a lot of eyeballs here now. Excellent. I'm feeling at home with this bike. I don't know why, even though it is so big a bike, I'm feeling it very easy to handle, not that weighty enough. And wow, everything is so smooth about this bike, man. I want this bike, man. Oh wow. Wow, man, wow. This is the bike one should buy, no other bike. Oh wow, man, oh wow. I cannot imagine the fact that I'm riding this bike, which is so big a bike and very smooth and whatnot, but I'm running out of words, man, right now. Woohoo! Oh, let me ride it. I'll not talk right now for 1 minute at least. Superb power, it has upped the game. Oh wow, brakes are good. Maybe I'm not that used to the suspension travel of this bike, because when you apply a brake it is kind of dipping, but not that very hard or very fast. It is giving you some kind of a confidence. It's not that it is not giving you confidence, but still very well mannered and well behaved bike, I must say that. Oh, so easy to turn. Oh wow. Wow, I want this bike, man. Pickup is amazing. The newer power, more torquey engine, the look and feel, the sense of riding a bike. I'm really happy that I came to test ride this bike. So yeah, this is something one can buy. आँख बंद करके ले लो. 1-2 लाख रुपए थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, but 19 lakhs on road for manual, amazing. पूरा ही चेंज हो गया बाइक फ्रॉम प्रीवियस जनरेशन. सबसे मज़े की बात क्या है ना, कि आप बैठ के इतना कंफर्टेबल हो ना. मतलब मेरा हैंड जो है ना, थोड़ा लॉन्गर हैंड है. आई हैव को क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं, बट मैं अगर स्ट्रेट खड़ा रहूँ तो आई कैन टच माई नीज. दैट्स व्हाट माई हैंड लेंथ इज. इट्स अ बिट ऑन अ लॉन्गर साइड, बट दिस बाइक इज़ एप्ट. सुपर राइडिंग पॉस्चर फॉर मी. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है चला के. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैन्यूवरिंग इट. वेरी सिंपल है. सी, आप अगर आप चला रहे हो, मैं इसको देखता हूँ अभी मेरे सामने, बस मैं ओवरटेक करना है. मैं या डन, क्लियर, वेरी इजी. ये सिर्फ दिखने में बाइक बड़ा है, बट अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. Wow man, wow Honda. You never know, I'll have this in future. भगवान की दया हो तो क्यों नहीं, but I'll definitely have this as an option. Oh wow, क्या खींचता है भाई. लग रहा है कि भाई देख तो रहे हैं लोग, जरूर से जरूर देख रहे हैं लोग. गियर इंडिकेटर हो, ब्रेक्स हो, राइडिंग हो, सीट्स कंफर्टेबल, वेरी कंफर्टेबल सीट्स. वाओ, आप आराम से इसमें खड़े हो के आराम से चला सकते हो. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बाइक में. बिंदास रहो, बिंदास चलो. वाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गड्ढा हो, कुछ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आराम से खड़ा हो, चलते रहो. चलते चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो मैंने बताया आपको सब कुछ अपना फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस का. ब्रेक के बारे में बात हो गई, सस्पेंशन बेस्ट सेटअप. मेरे को थोड़ा यूज टू होने में टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज ये फ्रंट का थोड़ा डिप इन मुझे लगता है ब्रेक मारने पे, बट आई थिंक आई एम नॉट दैट यूज टू इट. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ लाइक दिस. बट येस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस. मैं एक राउंड और लूँगा, मैंने सब कुछ अच्छा बताया। LED इंडिकेटर्स, LED हेडलाइट्स, ऑल LED, नकल गार्ड्स, फिट एंड फिनिश इज सुपर्ब। अब क्या चाहिए यार, बाइक में क्या चाहिए यार आपको? अगर मेरे को बोला जाए कि ये कोई बाइक से कंपेयर करो, तो मैं बोलूँगा यार मैं होंडा के साथ रहना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज़ माई प्रेफरेंस। बट इफ़ यू लुक एट द आई बॉल्स दैट दिस बाइक इज़ गेटिंग, ओ मैन, दिस इज़ अमेजिंग। अच्छा, आप एक चीज़ ध्यान दे रहे होगे कि ये अभी ब्लैक हो गई है, वाइट हो गई। ये एक्चुअली सेंसर बेस्ड है। इफ़ इट इज़ अ डार्क सिचुएशन इट वुड टर्न इनटू ब्लैक एंड वाइट कॉम्बिनेशंस। अभी वाइट बैकग्राउंड पे है, अगर डार्क हो जाएगी तो ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड पे आ जाएगी। So in that sense it is reading you where you stand and where are you at this point in time. अभी एक काम करते हैं, बाइक को थोड़ा कम गियर पे डालते हैं एंड देन विल सी इसका पुल अप क्या है। दिस बाइक ऑन 3rd गियर एंड आई एम 10-15 किलोमीटर के स्पीड पे हूँ। यस, वेरी ओके, इट डजंट स्टॉल, बट यस, इस मामले में अपना वो इनलाइन 4 ज़्यादा अच्छा था, CBR 650F। उसमें 6th गियर में आई कुड गो डाउन एज डाउन एज 25 किलोमीटर। आई विल गो बैक नाउ, इट इज़ रेनिंग। सो ओवरऑल वेरी हैप्पी, मज़ा आ गया चला के। बाइक में कुछ भी फॉल्ट करने के लिए नहीं है। जब मैं अपना CBR 650F ले रहा था तो उस समय भी मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरा बाइक थोड़ा कॉस्टली है, बट I actually got up more when I got the bike and then got used to it. Then I felt that no, it is okay. So इसमें भी ऐसा ही कुछ है। थोड़ा बहुत तो आपको लगेगा कि BMW भी देख लूँ और ये भी देख लूँ, but then you will still find it very good for your use and stuff. So overall very happy with the bike and yeah, सब कुछ अच्छा है, no problem with the bike. So here it is, my first experience of the bike. I hope you like it. बताइए सर, रविंद्र, what is your experience?
Good man.
हाँ,
Very good.
ये फ्रंट में थोड़ा डाइविंग ज़्यादा हो रहा है क्या? फ्रंट में it is diving more, is it?
Diving.
Yeah, diving is there. That's what you can very well adjust it, but
The best part about this bike, you know what it is?
yeah.
The least expensive one.
I told everybody this has a clutch here and the least expensive to get more feel of the bike.
Perfect.
I think this is lot more sense, but let's see. So all good with the bike. ज़्यादा कुछ राइड कर नहीं सकते हैं. So this is the small ride. इसके बाद we'll have a bigger test ride. And once Ayush is also here. You can adjust the windscreen, just push it and then put it up. Very easy mechanism. So this is gravel mode, this is off-road. Then this is user base. You can choose the way you want to have your traction control and ABS. Activate and cancel. Then you have user 2. Then tour mode, just ride the way you want, which is traction 3 and all those things. Urban mode, gravel mode, all touch screen, so all good in that sense. Excellent. So yes guys, this was my first impression of Africa Twin 2020. All good. Let me know what you feel about this bike, what has been your experience riding with me, and then yeah, until next time, keep coming back to the channel guys. Please do subscribe, comment onto it. Until next time, bye bye.